Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are doing a little road trip. We decided to take a little drive out because we have been stuck in this location for almost a year. Haven't been out of the little town, so we decided to like venture out for an hour or two.
Because it's warm today, so today's a good day for a road trip. So stay tuned, guys. Hopefully you guys can just enjoy the drive with us. Alberta is a very rural province, so you will get to see some bush. And yeah, just stay tuned. We'll try to make it as fun as possible. Get you guys shortly. Road trip.
You need the thing.
That look like a front of a plane, alright? Look at it. By the thing. Okay, so you guys may be wondering where we're going to today. So today is road trip. We are going to 3 towns. We're going to 3 neighboring communities beside us, pretty much like almost 2 hours away. We're going to the beautiful city of Dawson Creek. We are going to Beaver Lodge, and we're going to Wembley. So these are 3 communities beside Grande, Prairie, which is a good little drive. So we get to drive out and check out another city as well while taking you guys. So yeah, that's where we're going. Hey guys, so we finally made it to Dawson Creek, and we are at a very memorable spot here in Dawson Creek, and it's actually the Alaska Highway. This is the highway that leads you directly to Alaska, so it has like significant, memorable, historic meaning. Lots and lots of histories in this spot that we're standing right now, and Dawson Creek is in the beautiful province of British Columbia. So today we just went on a drive today as to let you guys see what it is like outside of where we live, pretty much. Thank you guys for spending the day with us. Hopefully you guys had some fun with us. It was a good road trip, long drive. My hands are so tired, giving thanks that we went out and came back in safely. We were able to see some scenic scenes, and yeah, just chill and enjoy it today. And thank you so much again, guys. If you're watching our videos for the first time, what I'm supposed to do, babes?
Like, share, subscribe. I don't know, to our channel.
Yeah, like, share, and definitely subscribe. Right? Stay tuned to the Andersons. Of course, you know that we try to share as many experiences as possible to you guys about living in Canada, and also about our experience of getting to live in Canada, which probably inspire and help somebody in their process as well. So stay tuned to the next video, guys. Peace out. The Andersons.